Wheatgrass, a food made from the Triticum aestivum plant, is considered to be one of the most powerful superfoods. Its amazing health benefits can be acquired when consumed as juice or as a supplement in powder form. This everyday health tonic may be of aid in the treatment of some illnesses, although more research is necessary to find out more about its efficacy. Researchers agree that it has immense potential. Learn why adding wheatgrass juice to your diet is a healthy habit you can start today. The best health benefits of wheatgrass juice. It's packed in impressive nutrients. Since it has a potent nutrient combo, it's an amazing way to boost your health. Its vitamins and nutrients make it amazing for better health and a body stronger in its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. By adding wheatgrass juice to your diet, you'll supply your body with iron, magnesium, enzymes, calcium, 17 amino acids, proteins, vitamins A, C, E, K, and B, chlorophyll, and more. Detoxifies your system naturally. Thanks to its nutrients, wheatgrass juice will help you expel impurities and toxins from the body easier, namely, the chlorophyll will help you cleanse the body from toxins and also better your liver health. When the body is clean, your energy levels will also rise and you'll feel better overall. Betters your digestion. The high presence of enzymes betters digestion and eases the body's breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients. In return, you'll feel better digestion. Thanks to wheatgrass, you'll feel less bloated, less gassy, and have less belly discomfort. It may also be of aid if you're struggling with IBS, constipation, and other digestive problems. It reduces cholesterol. Wheatgrass can be of aid for people with higher cholesterol. It will help you drop it down and also increase your chances of losing weight and thus, reduce your risk of heart disease. Strengthens immunity. Did you know that wheatgrass strengthens immunity? And, this will make you stronger in resisting infections and illnesses, and, when your immunity is stronger, you'll also feel better. Plus, when have a stronger defense system, recovering from health problems will be faster and better. It betters cognition. Did you know that wheatgrass is great for a better mental function and less anxiety? Namely, since it protects our cognition, it can be of aid for prevention of Alzheimer's. It's also helpful for the prevention of memory loss and better hand-eye coordination. How to make wheatgrass juice? You can use a juicer or a blender. Prep the wheatgrass first. Wash around 1/4 cup of it per shot of juice. Chop it into smaller pieces, blend or juice until it becomes liquid, then, strain it over a glass or a cup, squeeze out as much as possible and throw away the remaining pulp. Enjoy your wheatgrass. To make it more palatable, combining it with water or some veggie juice is a great choice too.